Okay, so we're going to break the Awakening Dragon into 3 different videos. And so this is the first part of the video. This is the entrance, and then going into our walk, our diagonal walk. So let's start out. So we have our feet together, and we are going to be making what's called the Taiji mudra. The Taiji mudra is a hand symbol. With our left hand, we grab the right thumb. We place the right fingers this way. We place the left thumb this way. And you see how it kind of makes like a little yin and yang symbol? Pretty cute, huh? But that's the Taiji mudra. All right, so, and what we want to do is kind of press the hands forward so it's facing forward, okay? And as with all dragon forms, with the Dao Yin, we always start asleep, so with the head down. We take a nice big deep breath. Exhale, release that tension through the back, through the shoulders, lower dantian. Now we open the eyes, looking the dragon stare. So we are looking far away, very intensely with our dragon. We inhale, we drop the hands, we exhale, and we step out into dragon stance. Now, dragon stance is not Mabu, it's not that far, and it's not Wuji. So it's somewhere in between, but we are stepping out confidently as a dragon would or should. So that's dragon stance. So that's going again, starting. Sleeping dragon, take a breath. Inhale, eyes open. Shift the weight to the right, stepping out, dragon stance. Now we do 3 breaths coming up. We inhale sharply, exhale, soft, soft. Inhale, exhale, soft exhale. Soft inhale, hard inhale, exhale. So with these movements, I am really, it's as if I was pulling up a heavy weight. You can feel that isometric tension. Everything is engaged. And as we are pushing, it's almost as if I was pushing against something. So I'm coming up. Okay, so we do that 3 times. Let's go, starting from the beginning again. Shift weight. Eyes open. Dragon breath. 1. 2. Here comes number 3. Down. Now we pull, as we inhale, we're pulling our hands back to the sides. We have our fingers pointing forwards, as if your fingers are being stretched. Then we're going to rotate the hands. We rotate and turn to the left. So as we rotate and turn to the left, bring up the arms, then turn to the right and pull down. So this pivoting that we're doing, if you could imagine that there's like a stake running through the hands, we're turning on the stake. It should feel nice and tense. Everything is engaged and locked. So as we turn, I am turning to the left, and then with my hands, I'm using the butt of my palms. Almost if you could imagine I had like paint, and I'm smearing this paint all the way up the wall, across the ceiling. So turn, pivot, smear, and I'm turning to the right, and then I'm pulling down. Now as I pull down, my right hand is closer to my chest. My left hand is on the outside. I am pushing both sides. So we are fully engaged in the shoulders, in the chest. And imagine there's a piece of like a wall here and a wall here, and I'm pushing on both sides. Okay? So here we go. Engage, looking to the left, smearing, circling to the right, pulling down. Now, left hand goes under Dantian. I'm sorry, right hand under Dantian, left hand is pulled forward. This is how we end up in a cat stance. Cat stance in the right leg. The right leg is bearing all the weight. The right hand is nestled under the Dantian. Left hand is pushing forward. As we are coming down, let's just work on the hands for the moment. As we come down, just with the left hand, with the right hand is just flowing under the Dantian. So the closest to the body, flowing under the Dantian. Left hand, furthest away from the body, it continues to flow, 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 and then it's being pulled this way. You could imagine, we were talking about here, that pivoting. If we had a stick running through the palm here, and I'm pushing forward, I'm rolling forward, this is all being engaged, the wrist, forearm, it's all being engaged. So I'm pulling down, going into place. Now, as far as with the legs, I pull down, all of my weight is shifting to the right. I turn and go into a cat stance. I am facing towards the left in that position. I'm ready to start my walk. So one more time. The weight is coming down. As I sink down, I'm moving into the right leg. I shift over into that cat stance, sit nice and squared, chest, while I'm moving towards the right. And put all together. Let's do it from the pivot, up, down, start to turn, settle the right hand under the Dantian, left hand turning. And then we have one breath in this position. And then we're ready for our next set. So that's pretty much the first video. Let's go through all of these steps again. Tai Chi Mudra. Great. Here we go. Going to sleep. Nice big deep breath. Inhale, eyes open, staring forward, dragon stare. As we exhale, we step out to dragon pose. Here come the 3 breaths. Gentle, gentle. Gentle. Last one. Pull it back. Pivot. All the way to the right. Down, exhale. Inhale, hold it. Exhale. Very good. So that's video number 1. I'll catch you on video number 2 for Awakening Dragon.